Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the amazing world of cells. What are cells? Think of them as tiny factories that make up every living thing. That's right, everything. From the smallest bacteria to the tallest trees to you and me. Cells are like little cities bustling with activity. They have different parts that work together. We call these parts organelles. Each organelle has a specific job to do. Pretty cool, right? Let's explore some of these amazing structures. Imagine a busy city with people and goods coming and going. That's what it's like inside a cell. The cell membrane acts like the city limits. It's a thin outer layer that surrounds the cell and holds everything together. But the cell membrane isn't just a simple wall. It's selectively permeable. That means it controls what goes in and out of the cell. Nutrients and oxygen get in. Waste products get out. It's all about keeping the cell healthy and functioning properly. At the heart of the cell, we find the nucleus. Think of it as the cell's control center or the main office of our city. It contains the cell's DNA, the genetic material that tells the cell how to function. It's like the instruction manual for the entire cell. Surrounding the nucleus and filling up the rest of the cell is the cytoplasm. It's a gel-like substance that provides a home for all the cell's organelles. Imagine it as the bustling city itself, where all the action takes place. Just like a city needs power, cells need energy to function. That's where mitochondria come in. These bean-shaped organelles are the powerhouses of the cell. They break down nutrients and convert them into energy, keeping the cell running. But cells don't just consume energy, they also build things. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell. They take instructions from the DNA and use them to assemble proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life, essential for almost everything the cell does. Section 5. The transport network and more endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Imagine a city with a complex network of roads and highways. That's the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for you. It's a network of sacs and tubes that act as a transport system within the cell. It moves proteins and other molecules around, just like trucks transporting goods. Once proteins are made, they need to be packaged and shipped to their final destinations. That's the job of the Golgi apparatus. It acts like the post office of the cell, sorting, packaging, and sending out proteins to where they're needed. Section 6. Plant cells versus animal cells. Spotting the difference. Plant and animal cells are very similar, but there are a few key differences. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall outside their cell membrane, giving them their shape and support. Think of it like a city wall. Plant cells also have chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what makes plants green and allows them to perform photosynthesis, the process of converting sunlight into energy. It's like having solar panels built right into the city. Section 7. Cells in action. Examples from everyday life. We see cells in action all the time. When you eat, your digestive system breaks down food into nutrients that your cells can use. When you exercise, your muscle cells contract and relax, allowing you to move. Even when you breathe, your cells are hard at work. Red blood cells carry oxygen to your cells, and your cells use that oxygen to produce energy. Cells are the unsung heroes of our everyday lives. Section 8. The importance of understanding cells. So why is it important to understand how cells work? Well, for starters, it helps us understand how life itself works. By studying cells, we can learn about diseases, develop new medicines, and even find ways to improve our health. Cells are the fundamental units of life, and understanding them is crucial for unlocking the secrets of biology and medicine. It's a fascinating field of study that continues to amaze and inspire scientists every day. Section 9. Keep exploring the microscopic world. That's it for our journey into the world of cells. We've learned about their different parts, their functions, and the amazing things they do. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover about these incredible microscopic wonders. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep your sense of wonder alive. The world of science is waiting for you to uncover its secrets.